Hello children, how are you all? Yesterday we started our EVS first lesson, isn't it? There we learned what we learned. Yes, there we learned uses of water, and we learned all living things need water to live, and we get water from rain, and the rainwater fills up rivers, lakes, ponds and streams. And again we learned the upper part of the mountains are covered with the snow, and due to the heat of the sun, this snow starts to melt and change into water. All these we learned, and a little part of or little amount of rainwater collected under the soil, and that is called underground water. And we dig wells and tube wells, and we use hand pumps to take this underground water. And today we are learning that how do we clean the water. Cleaning water, what we are learning. Cleaning water. How do we clean the water? Have you any idea? At home, which water you are drinking? We are drinking filtered water or boiled water, isn't it? At home, we are some of us having water filter, and some are boiling water and drinking. Why do we boil water? We boil water to kill the germs, okay? And if we are filtering water, we can remove the dirt from the water. Rainwater or the water which we are getting from the tap has a lot of germs. Germs means what? Roganukal, germs and dirt. Germs, 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 anukal, and dirt means what? Alk. Dirt means alk. So this dirty water is not good for our health. Dirty water is not safe to drink. So before drinking, we have to filter the water, or we have to boil the water. And see here, first picture is showing boiling water. And second picture, here you can see a water filter. Here also you can see an electrical water purifier. Purify means make the water clean. Purify means make clean. Okay. So these are the three methods we are using to clean the dirty water. Dirty water is not good to drink. So before drinking, we have to boil the water. We have to use water filter or electrical water purifier. Then next we are learning saving water. Saving water. Water is very important for us. Water is very precious for us. So we have to save water. How do we save water? During rainy season, when it rains, we have to collect rainwater in this big drum and bucket. And we can use this collected rainwater for bathing, washing and watering plants and all. Okay. റെയിനി സീസണിലാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ റെയിൻ വാട്ടർ ഇതുപോലുള്ള വലിയ ജഗ്ഗിലും ബക്കറ്റിലൊക്കെ കളക്ട് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചാൽ ഇത് നമുക്ക് കുളിക്കാനും പിന്നെ എന്തിനാ ചെടികൾ നനയ്ക്കാനൊക്കെ ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. ലൈക്ക് ദിസ്, ഇൻ ദിസ് വേ വി ക്യാൻ സേവ് വാട്ടർ. സേവ് ചെയ്യുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? വാട്ടറിൻ്റെ ഉപയോഗം കുറയ്ക്കുക. ആൻഡ് സീ യു ആർ സിംപ്ലി വൈൽ ബ്രഷിങ് യുവർ ടീത്ത് and while using toilet and while drinking water and all, you are taking one full glass of water and you are not drinking that full glass, half you are wasting. So today onwards, don't waste water. Okay? Are you ready? Today onwards, don't waste water. Okay? So what we learned today? How do we clean water? Okay, before drinking, we have to clean the water because dirty water is not safe to drink. So, we boil the water or we drink the water from the water filter. Okay, in this way we get clean water. And next we learn save water. What we learn? Save water. How do we save water? First, when we use water, use the little amount of water which we need only. Don't waste water while drinking water, while brushing your teeth. Don't waste water. And after using the tap, you close the tap tightly. Don't let the water to leak. Okay, before leaving the washing area, you should make sure whether have you closed the tap properly. At school, at home, and some children are doing so. Some are simply wasting water, opening the tap and simply wasting the water. Don't waste water because water is very precious and in our daily life we need water. Okay, so you don't waste water. Then let us do the exercise of this lesson. Before that you should learn this sentence. Water is very useful. We must not waste it. Save water. Learn this. And see, let us do the exercise of this lesson. First one, take the correct answers. See, exercise C I am doing. Underground water is the water that gets collected under the soil. Answer C. All of you tick answer C. Okay, answer C. Then in the next page, we should not dash water. We should not waste water. B. Answer B. Tick answer B. We should not waste water. Then let us do third one. Tina sees an old lady trying to draw water using a hand pump. She goes to her and draws the water for her. What do you learn from Tina? To be helpful, to be honest, to be friendly. That is to be helpful because Tina helped that old lady. So the answer is to be helpful. Answer is to be helpful. Then fill in the blanks. We use a dash to draw underground water. The answer is germs, hand pump, living. So the answer is hand pump. First answer, hand pump. From the box you write here. The next one is all living things need water. Then you write all living. Write living here. Then boiling water kills the germs present in it. I told the drinking water has germs in it. Before drinking, we have to boil the water to kill this germs, or we have to use water filter to remove this germs. Okay. The next is match correctly. We should always drink clean water. C. First answer C. Second one, sea water is salty in taste. Sea water is salty in taste. കടൽ വെള്ളത്തിന് ഉപ്പുരസമായിരിക്കും അല്ലേ. Then snow melts and changes into water. Snow melts and changes into water. Then water is very useful. Water is very useful. So all of you match it correctly. Do yourself. Then test yourself. The main source of water on the earth is what? Sea, ocean, rain. Which is the answer? All of you say The main source of water is rain. Answer is rain. All of you pick this answer, rain. From the mountains, the water comes down in the form of snow, rivers, rain in the form of rivers. In the form of rivers. So all of you do this exercise today itself and learn the exercise. Okay.